With breathtaking beauty, the Great Barrier Reef, located in the Coral Sea, west of the state of Queensland, hosts over 3,000 individual reef systems and coral cays along with islands, all spread over an area of 344,400 kilometers squared. The Great Barrier Reef is a World Heritage listed site. Tourists can explore this natural wonder through diving into the reef, flying overhead in a helicopter, snorkeling in the shallow reefs, or by a boat drifting on top of the reefs. Researchers and marine geologists believe the reef began to grow approximately 18 million years ago. The time between then and now, a myriad of geological events such as the ice ages and low seawater levels have interrupted reef growth. Coral reefs we see today have grown on top of the old reef platforms during the last 8,000 years since the last ice age.
The Great Barrier Reef has some of the highest rates of marine biodiversity. These include 450 types of coral, 1,500 types of fish, 4,000 types of mollusks. As you can see, the Great Barrier Reef truly has a magnificent amount of species. It acts as a safe haven for a large percentage of marine species.
How was it formed? According to the Pangea theory, Australia broke away from the Gondwana mass approximately 65 million years ago. Australia drifted northward towards tropical waters. It was these waters that supported the formation of the Great Barrier Reef, which had begun to grow 18 million years ago. Billions of coral polyps, which are tiny organisms, form the structure of the coral reefs. These polyps attach themselves to the ocean floor near the coast of Queensland 10,000 years ago in the Ice Age. During the Ice Age, they died and left behind their calcium-rich skeletons. They formed a base for the next generation of polyps. Today, only the top layer of polyps is living. The coral polyps have a symbiotic relationship with the tiny plant-like organisms named zooxanthellae. They reside in the cells of the polyps where they can receive sunlight. They use this sunlight to provide for their own as well as the coral's energy needs. This condition, characterized by plenty of polyps and coral in tropical water, allowed a large amount of marine species to survive and thrive there, thus creating the Great Barrier Reef we have today.
There are many things to do visiting the reef. Some include snorkeling for $99 for 2 hours, cruising $120 per person for 4 hours, or air ballooning $200 per person, white water rafting $160 per person, sailing cruise $140 per person, helicopter flight $250 per person, seaplanes $210 per person, and you could visit Whitehaven Beach, but it's for free.
Accommodation: Pinnacles Resort and Spa $202 per night, Peninsula Ally Beach $233 per night, Marina Shores $175 per night, Portside Whitsundays $178 per night.
Transport: a taxi is $2.14 per kilometer, $3 flat. A ship is $400 per person. A plane from New South Wales is $300 per person. A boat is $99 per person. You can get a rented car for $160 per day, and a bus is for $13 per person.
Thank you for watching.